Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this one is under altitude. I am finally going to get back to getting this ribbon cable back on my Phantom 3 Pro's 4K camera. It's been a couple months now since I I had a ribbon cable and I put it on it. If you look at the videos prior to this one, you're going to see that the camera just went berserk and it was flipping around and there was no video, there was no nothing after I put that new ribbon cable back on. The main problem originally was I had vertical lines in my videos. Alright. Okay. Nice. Alright. Let's get this back together. My little bungee fungies here. Through here. Good. Okay. What is your problem? Okay, one down. One little bungee. Two little bungee. I want some glasses on. Okay. Two little bungees. Squeeze them, push them through. Playing with those now. I need something much of it. Oh, that works. Okay, beautiful. Let's see, number two. Yeah, more than that. I'm not gonna lock those in there yet because don't really need to lock it in there yet. I just want to get see if I can get it in the just want to see if it's going to work. If it's not, I'm not going to waste the pins. There we go. There's that one. Just want to get it so it'll hold it, and then I can worry about doing once I get I can put the lock pins in as soon as we get see if it works. Don't work, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to just leave it off so that I can fly it with the 360. I'm going to figure out how to get the 360. See, I've got the 360 hooked right up here on this, but it shakes because it vibrates with the drone, and that's what these do. These things here knock out the vibration, so they don't vibrate, so the camera doesn't vibrate. Even though the new cameras have already got anti-vibration in the with the cameras, but all right, here we go. From the camera, okay, so and let's see. Okay, I need that one. Look at one. The other one. Okay, there you go. Yeah, you're on the beside here. Okay, here we go. Get this plugged in. Oh, come on. backwards. Yep, going the wrong way. So, alright, click. I hear it. Heard that go click. Okay, that one's got a little less play on it. This one's got. Okay, on the side here. Definitely got more cable on this. Right on that one. Okay. Okay, click. All right, dude. There we go. Now we get the little bungees back through here again. And you face in a different direction, yeah. Okay, dude. Come on, dude. I did notice that these do deteriorate after a while. They do appear to be biodegradable. A little trickier coming back through the bottom there. Coming up through. Maybe I can grab one little pair of flag screwdriver. So I hold on to one side. Can be that difficult. Come on. Let's take it. Let's get up there. Get there. Come on. There you go. One down. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Gotta be a simpler way, maybe. I can actually grab it with my finger. Pull it back up through. Get something. Squeeze in there. There we go. 2 down. Nice. We're getting closer. Get it, pull it through. Yeah, grab it. There you go. I think I got the hang of this now. Oh my word. I think I got the hang of it. Kick my ass, I think. Alright. Yep, I think I got the hang of it. Okay. Oops. That top one. Bottom one down here went up. Got out. Back down to the. Flip it over now. See it from the top. See, I made this nice little take-off cradle. I can carry it in the cradle. Flip it over and work on it. There we go. Okay, I got you. Alright, nice little cradle here. Alright, we're hanging. Everything's, all my bungees are hanging. Okay. Okay, and it'll clear that if I need it to. Alright, people. Battery. Let's see what it does. Ready? Okay. We're going to find out. Alright. But if it does what it did before, it's just going to go freaking crazy. Well, unfortunately, it did nothing. It did nothing. Because normally we go doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. It does nothing. And all I did was install the camera. Or reinstall the harness. So something in the harness is bad, and unfortunately, as you saw, I had to super glue that. Well, that's it. Ain't nothing more I can do about it. None whatsoever. All I got is a cable housing, and I can't even say that the cable is any good. So that's that. I'm going to try something real quick. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kick it up, get it connected. What the hell? Okay, camera. It'd be weird if the camera was actually showing something, and I don't have anything moving. What it's supposed to say is gimbal's disconnected if it's no transmission. No image signal. So we got something going on here. No image. No image. No image. No image signal. So when I plugged it into the, I'm assuming when I plugged it into the camera, there was no contact. I was afraid of that because I probably made it worse when I put the super glue. Got the super glue on the end of the good old contact. So, well, there we go. That answered my question. So that ends that. Nice try, but at least you know what it takes to replace that wire or the ribbon cable. So, well, anyway, that was a nice try, and alright, thanks for watching. It's too bad it wasn't successful, but you know, what are you gonna do? If you're gonna fly drones, it's a hobby, and you're gonna crash them. It doesn't make any difference whether it's it doesn't matter whether it's a Phantom 3 Professional or a Mavic. You're gonna crash them. It's just, you know, they can put all the anti-collision mechanisms in there, but you'll definitely find a way to crash it, and then you're gonna have to figure out how to repair it, and it's gonna cost you money whether you do it yourself or send it to DJI. But you know, it's fun repairing things, especially if it becomes successful and it flies again. So it gives you a kind of sense of pride. But you know, what are you gonna do? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you on the next Altitude.